Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start this week's last tech talks with Realme. Realme confirms that their Realme 9 Pro series is going to be launched globally on 15th of February, and Realme 9 Pro Plus will be the first smartphone to come with MediaTek Dimensity 925G processor. MIUI 13. This new operating system comes with liquid storage, atomized memory, focus algorithms, smart balance, slide bar, and new widgets that will be available in selected regions only, new microscopic and static wallpapers, and protective wall mark. And the first batch of eligible devices list is also here. The second product that is launched is Redmi Note 11S. This smartphone has 6.43-inch FHD plus 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED display, MediaTek Helio G96 processor, 108 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 quad rear camera setup, 16 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt charging, Android 11 with MIUI 13, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage, NFC, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, dual speakers, Z-axis motor, IP53 rating, IR blaster, and 3.5mm audio jack. This smartphone is available in grey, blue, and white colors. This smartphone is launched in 3 variants. The price of 4GB 64GB variant is $249. The price of 6GB 128GB variant is $279, and the price of 8GB 128GB variant is $299. The third product is Redmi Note 11. This smartphone has 6.43-inch FHD plus 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED display, Snapdragon 680 processor, 50 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel quad rear camera setup, 13 megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt charging, Android 11 with MIUI 13, side mounted fingerprint sensor, LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 5, dual speakers, Z-axis motor, IP53 rating and 3.5mm audio jack. This smartphone is available in graphite grey, star blue and twilight blue colors. This smartphone is launched in 3 variants. The price of 4GB 64GB variant is $179. The price of 4GB 128GB variant is $199 and the price of 6GB 128GB variant is $229. The fourth product is Redmi Note 11 Pro. This smartphone has 6.67-inch FHD plus 120Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, 1200 nits peak brightness AMOLED display, MediaTek Helio G96 processor, 108 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel quad rear camera setup, 16 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery with 67 watt charging, Android 11 with MIUI 13, side mounted fingerprint sensor, LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage, Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, liquid cooling technology, dual speakers, Z-axis motor, 3.5mm audio jack, high-res audio certification, dual SIM plus micro SD card slot, IR blaster and USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. This smartphone is available in star blue, graphite grey and polar white colors. This smartphone is also launched in 3 variants. The price of 6GB 64GB variant is $299. The price of 6GB 128GB variant is $329 and the price of 8GB 128GB variant is $349. And the fifth product launched in this launch event is Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. This smartphone is same as Redmi Note 11 Pro, but just the processor is changed. In Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, there is Snapdragon 695 5G processor and this smartphone is also launched in 3 variants. The price of 6GB 64GB variant is $329. The price of 6GB 128GB variant is $349 and the price of 8GB 128GB variant is $379. Redmi is going to launch its Redmi Smart Band Pro on 9th of February in India. This smart band has 1.47-inch AMOLED always-on display feature, 450 nits peak brightness display, 110 plus sports mode, 14 days battery life, 20 days battery life with power saving, heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, sleep monitor, stress monitor, 50 plus band faces, 5 atmospheric resistant, magnetic charging, music and camera controls, weather notifications and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. The all-new Range Rover SUV prices start from Rs 2.31 crores and pre-booking is open. The new Range Rover gets 3.0-liter petrol and diesel and 4.4-liter petrol options. It is available as standard and LWB models in 4, 5 or 7 seat layouts and it's the first Range Rover SUV to come with 7-seat version as an option. This is all in today's Tech Talks. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. Now, I will see you all on Monday with the next fresh episode of Tech Talks by PALLAV. I wish you a very happy weekend. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and don't forget to wear the mask.